Hey guys, come with me as I explore Hadrian's Library, or Hadrian as some people pronounce it, here in Athens, Greece. Can't wait to show you guys. And before I get started, make sure you subscribe and like. So welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in as we tour Hadrian's Library in Athens, Greece, which is located on the north side of the Acropolis. For many of you that may not know, Hadrian was actually a Roman emperor. So this has the typical Roman architecture throughout, even though it does resemble a lot of the ancient Greek architecture. There is some differences. So that was something that was really interesting for me to learn, as I always thought that these were all, ancient Greek architecture and archaeological sites. But Hadrian was actually an Italian Roman emperor. So the site itself, I did want to give some general information for you guys. So when you're coming here, looking at all of the Athens attractions, you really have a good idea of what you can do. So in the beginning of the video, as you saw, on the outside of Hadrian's Library, there is information that will help you guys with times and prices and things like that. But if you are going to be spending quite a few days in Athens and you want to do all of the archaeological sites in Athens, what I would suggest is actually going and getting the bundled pass, where you can come here to Hadrian's Library. In Greek, we call it the Bibliotheki του Ανδρέων. If you didn't know, I am Greek, so I am back in the motherland traveling for 6 months. So make sure you are subscribed so you guys can get all of the travel that I'm going to be doing throughout Greece, throughout Athens. And I'm going to be giving you guys the real tricks that you should be doing and tips, so that way you can travel on a better budget but still be able to enjoy all of the sites, Greek culture, and really just have a great vacation. So what I recommend is getting the bundle that they have. Now, you cannot just get it at any of the sites, so you wouldn't be able to just go to Hadrian's Library and ask for it. You would end up having to pay separately, or you'd have to go online. Online is the easiest thing, but let's say your phone's not working, whatever country you're flying in from. The other thing that you can do is go to the Acropolis. So the only way that you can get the bundle is from the Acropolis or on the website. Now, outside of every archaeological site that you would go, that you would want to go and visit, they do have a QR code that you can scan that would bring you right onto their website and you can purchase it. So it really is worth it. That's what I ended up doing, because for the Acropolis, it's 20 euros to get in just to the Acropolis. But to get the bundled package to go visit all of the archaeological sites throughout Athens is only 30 euro. So for me, it was absolutely worth it because I wanted to go to every single one, and I obviously wanted to go so I can give you all of the content and information from each site. So for 30, I was able to come here to Hadrian's Library. I was able to go to the Acropolis, the Roman Agora. I was also able to go to the ancient Agora. So there was a bunch of other sites that I was able to go to within that package. And you also have 5 days to use it. So you don't have to do every single site in one day. The day that I went here to Hadrian's library, it was absolutely beautiful. But the sun is very gruesome at times, and right now it's May. But if you're coming to Athens in the summer, in the middle of July and August, it is going to be very, very hot. So make sure you wear sunscreen, make sure you bring a hat, and make sure you stay hydrated. So even now in the month of May, it was, the sun itself just kind of on you all day long was definitely tiresome. So you don't have to worry that if I buy this ticket package, am I going to have to, go to every single one of these sites in one day, which you do not. So if you get that package, you have 5 days to use it and go to all of the sites. So that's definitely a big piece of information that I wanted to give you guys. Now, just something else to think about when you are coming here. Everything also, it is within a good distance. It's not too close, but it's also not too far. Everything is pretty walkable. And they have now been doing a lot of, the sites where it's wheelchair friendly, but not every single site is still wheelchair friendly. So that is something to think about if someone in your party, is wheelchair bound, that you're not going to be able to go to every single site with a wheelchair. So the bundle package may not be, something that you guys would need to get. But also just bring comfortable shoes if you are going to be going to all of these sites. Just a little helpful hint, I had gone with sandals to one of them. I don't know why, I haven't been to Greece so many times. And I was definitely pretty tired by the end of the day. So I really hope that this information was helpful. I really hope that you have the best time in Greece and you guys enjoy your holiday. Please subscribe, like,